This is Sandra. Sandra grew up in a challenging environment due to dysfunctional family relations. At school, she's unable to keep up, and her classmates can read, write, and speak better than her. Sandra's life is seemingly without hope, and she's at risk of being stuck in the vicious dysfunctional cycle. For disadvantaged children like Sandra, Canossaville Children's Home provides a safe haven. We believe every child is a gift from God to be welcomed and treasured in a loving family and community. Our core services include residential care for girls aged between 6 to 12, special student care for primary school children, including those with special needs, with priority for the most needy. We give children the opportunities to learn, play, and grow, as well as cultivate key values such as happiness, confidence, resilience, and being others-centered. Character building and formation of the heart form an integral part of our core services. To enhance their learning and social skills, we offer a wide range of programs such as reading, music, sports, and arts. The work we do cannot be possible without the collective support of individuals, corporate, and community partners. Donate, volunteer with us, explore partnership opportunities, or leave a legacy through your will. And it doesn't end when a child leaves the home or is reintegrated back into her family. Our lasting impact can be seen when they grow up to become individuals who contribute positively to society and touch the lives of others, just as they have been touched by those who have helped them before. Every child can learn. Every child is precious and unique. Every child deserves love, care, and respect. Every child deserves opportunities to develop his or her fullest potential. Visit www.cch.org.sg or call 6748 5777 to find out how you can make a difference in a child's life.